When you search for the best tonneau covers for your Ford F150, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy images, but the real differences lie deeper, and that's what we're going to uncover today. Product number 1, MOSTPLUS Roll-Up Cover. First up is the MOSTPLUS 5.5 FT Roll-Up Soft Vinyl Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $145.88. What caught my attention was its impressive 4.5-star rating with over 800 reviews. If you want an affordable option that combines quality and ease of use, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With easy installation and no drilling required, this cover fits 2009 to 2026 Ford F150 short beds perfectly. The aluminum frame and vinyl tarp are not only durable, but also waterproof and UV resistant, keeping your gear safe from the elements. Plus, the built-in LED light is a nice touch for those late-night hauls. Now, some people complained about the cover not being as secure as they expected. Here's the thing though, it's designed for easy access rather than heavy-duty security. If you're using it for light loads or occasional transport, it shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly tonneau cover. Skip this one if you need top-notch security for valuable cargo. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if that concern about security bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more robust design. Product number 2, MOSTPLUS Quad Fold Cover. Next up is the MOSTPLUS 5.5 FT Quad Fold Soft Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, available for $159.99. This one also boasts a 4.5-star rating, but with a slightly different folding feature that caught my eye. If you want a cover that gives you more flexibility and access, this one is worth a closer look. The quad fold design means you can easily fold it back for full access to your truck bed, which is ideal if you're hauling larger items. Made of double-sided tear-resistant vinyl and supported by heavy-duty aluminum frames, it's built to last and withstand the elements. Plus, it comes with weather stripping and a stick touch lamp, helping you keep your gear dry and visible. With 400+ recent sales, it's clear that people are satisfied with this option. However, some users mention that the installation can be a bit tricky for first-timers. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal-breaker. Just follow the installation manual closely and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you frequently switch between needing full bed access and covering your cargo. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, more straightforward cover. For its price and quality, it's definitely a solid buy. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a hard shell. Product number 3, Tonneau Hard Shell Cover. The Tonneau Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is next, priced at $499.95. With a 4.7-star rating based on 881 reviews, it's a premium option that caught my eye for its durability. If you want something that can really withstand the test of time, this is worth a serious consideration. The clamps allow for easy operation, and you can remove it in seconds without needing any tools. This means if you need that full bed access, you can get it done quickly. The extreme sealing is crucial for keeping your cargo dry, and users rave about its low-profile look. Now, some might find the price a bit steep compared to other options. But here's the thing, if you're serious about protecting your gear and plan on using your truck extensively, the investment pays off in longevity and performance. This is perfect for you if you live in an area with extreme weather and need something durable. Skip this one if you're just looking for a temporary solution. For the quality, it's a worthwhile investment. Now, if you're looking for something different, the next product offers a mix of performance and accessibility. Product number 4, Real Truck True Zedo True Export Cover. Next is the Real Truck True Zedo True Export Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $329.99. It has a solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,200 reviewers, making it one of the favorites. If you're after a balance of quality and affordability, this one's worth a look. The lightweight vinyl material means it's easy to handle, and it's also weather resistant to keep your cargo safe. Users appreciate how it rolls up compactly, allowing for full bed access without removing the cover entirely. With a design that's easy to install, it's a great option for those who want functionality without hassle. However, some users reported that it can flap at higher speeds. Honestly, if you're not planning on highway speeds too often, it shouldn't be a huge issue, and many find the convenience outweighs that minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you value convenience and ease of use in a tonneau cover. Skip this one if you regularly drive at high speeds and need something more secure. For its price point, it offers excellent value. So if you want something really secure and weatherproof, you'll want to check out the last product on this list. Product number 5, Real Truck Backflip MX4 Cover. Finally, we have the Real Truck BAK Backflip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $1,134.99. With a 4.3-star rating and over 700 reviews, this is for those who want nothing but the best. If you're looking for top-tier security and durability, this is worth every penny. It fits snugly, keeping water out with improved seals, which is essential for those rainy days. The ability to fold it back for full access without removing the cover is a unique benefit that many users love. Plus, it's been tested in extreme conditions, ensuring it holds up against severe weather. However, the price point is definitely on the higher side, which may not suit everyone's budget. But let's be real, if you want something that will last and keep your gear safe, the investment is justified. This is perfect for you if you frequently carry valuable or sensitive items and need the best protection. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. Given its quality and features, it's a solid investment for serious truck owners. To wrap it up, we've looked at a mix of options from budget-friendly choices like the MOST PLUS roll-up to premium covers like the Backflip MX4 that offers unbeatable security. Each product has its strengths depending on your needs, whether it's ease of use, durability, or protection. Choose wisely based on what works best for you.